Howdy! Here is another Fuzor review. This time, it's Airhammer. The beast mode is a mixture of a hammerhead shark and a hawk. It looks pretty laughable though. Not as much as Injector, mind you, but it's still weird. At least they try to blend the two elements here. The colours are correct for both creatures, and there's some great moulding in the wings, with some paint apps to create nice feathery patterns. Sadly, the wings don't move, and the legs, which I assume are the hawk's legs, are jointed the wrong way. They bend forward at the knee instead of backwards. The undercarriage chunk doesn't look too bad, but it doesn't lock down that securely. The tail is also on a loose ball joint, so it's kinda floppy. He has a spring jaw. You can open it, and when you let go, it snaps shut. The transformation is simple, but it's not a one-step conversion like the flip-formers. Airhammer's robot mode is okay, but has quite a few flaws. His proportions are good, but he has a lot of backpack. He's like classic Silverbolt in that regard, but more of his beast mode is incorporated into his robot mode at least. Posability is decent, if limited by his backpack. But unlike the maximal flip changes, he has ankle joints to help keep him stable. He doesn't have actual hands, but rather the shark's jaw and tail, which you could use as his weaponry. He's rather bland in this mode, but there's some nice shiny aqua blue in places. And at least the feather patterns were done under the wings, as they show here. A final point is that some of the plastic used on this figure feels kinda cheap. Only the wings seem rigid. To sum it up, Airhammer's not horrible, but he's not especially great either. But if you're a fan of the Fuzors or the Beast Wars series as a whole, he's worth picking up. Next I'm looking at Transmetal Optimus Primal. Until then, till all are one.